Alright, in this video we're gonna pick open a master lock. Beeline series. It's just a cheap $5-6 master lock, and I'll show you that it does work. It'll come up with a key and everything, and it's not been altered or anything in any way. Lock now. The technique we're going to use is we're going to use a raking method. This is called a rake, and we're going to rake the lock open. So a little tension on there, and there we go. And that is how you rake open a master lock.